USD really struggling here today. They lost set number 1, 25-20, and they're down by 6 in a very crucial stage of set number 2, 16-10. What a steep serve coming from De Ocampo. Alfafara is blocked again. Ramos. Net violation against FEU.
Baitarin gets called and Calzada for that net violation.
And again, points USD is getting, or are getting, courtesy of errors ng FEU.
That's true.
Anthony Arbasto serving for UST.
And this guy hasn't really
Been a factor. As
So,
compared to the game against Adamson.
ooh!
Outside shot, Abby.
Somebody, that was out of bounds. I thought it was a net violation because the antennas were shaking sideways.
Avila is not comfortable if there's no blocker in front of him.
Si Alfafara, sinakyan yata
yung right hand niya sumabit. But, you know, there's some liberty when it comes, or leniency, when it comes to those net calls. Nice play.
Avila, that's right on the line. And aside from that, there's a net violation on USD. So either way, that ball is good.
Isa lang sumabay kay Avila. And there you go. He hits it this time in the middle, making sure that it lands on the floor.
Back to a 5-point lead again for FEU. Ukang. Alfafara rejected. The defense of FEU has been nothing but spectacular here today.
That's true, Eric.
Even as you see Rico get a point, but those are few and far between. Yung mga lusot ng USD.
Look at the FEU defense. There's still a blocker there. Si Avila lang a bit late in moving back because he didn't go up to the block.
Service, Mark Alfafara.
Uste is within 4. The push by Labrador. Ukang. Another block. Solo block by Labrador. And Labrador was still there, pero Rico again manages to get it through. So these points from Rico putting USD within striking distance now at 3 points.
That's inside. Rico in the middle. Back-to-back points.
Mark Alfafara serving.
Alfafara with a serve. Avila!
Ooh, sayang. And he knew that he had USC on the ropes because he
could have put it anywhere he wanted.
That's right. Walang blocker. Open hit. Pero sa sobrang gigil.
So USD is within 2. Another great serve coming from Alfafara. Wow, USD fighting back here off of unforced errors by FEU. May timeout tayo. Papakinggan natin ang FEU as you take a look at that beautiful ace coming from Mark Alfafara.
Titignan nyo muna. Tignan yung position ng set kung nasaan. Okay? Tapos yung ano natin, yung receive natin, iyatin natin na maayos. Tapos,
Tala, break lang yan, break lang.
Combination, di mo naman tayo nahuli sa combination attack eh. Ha? Okay? Break lang yan.
Putulin natin.
The 5-point lead by FEU all but obliterated sa point na to, no, Doc?
Napako sila sa 17 and it's their turn to have problems in receiving the ball.
Pero yun nga, all unforced errors coming from FEU. USD obviously taking advantage of this.
Yeah.
Ang tanong is, can they get over the hump itong USD and really put together a great package, a great game to close out set number 2?
Another poor reception. Petrus sa hirap. Solid block on Avila.
First solid block you've seen from USD.
Rico is saying, you're not gonna get it through Avila. Parang ganun ang gusto niya sabihin. Oh, nice block.
Enrico has been instrumental for USD. The last 2 points were his, and that block was his.
Nice play again, Avila.
Strikes again.
Unbelievable hit as FEU goes back on top after we were tied at 17.
Tagal nilang napako sa 17. Finally stopping the bleeding, and Pedro's having a lot of confidence on Avila. Remember the previous play, he got blocked, pero sa kanya pa rin dinala.
Better reception for Uste. Depante gets it through. We're tied at 18-all.
This guy has to get going for USD.
That's true. Him, Arbasto, Alfafara, they've got to get going because they were the key guys against Adamson.
Yes.
But so far, si Rico lang ang gumagana para sa USD.
Team captain Jason Ramos. Serving.
Ramos, the MVP. Ooh! no way you're digging that one up.
19 to 18.
Labrador up in the air. Nasa, nantay nila lang doon. Eksakto, sabay na sabay. Dolorias is not in his element today.
Serving for FEU, number 6, Carl De La Calzada.
19 serving 18. Set number 2. Over reception from Ramos.
Oh, nice
What
play.
a move by Del Campo. Did you see that?
Yes.
He posed like he was going to hit the ball. Take a look.
Look at this.
And then set it up.
Reminds me a lot of how
You know, I was waiting for that punchline too. Naabangan ko na yun eh.
kung nakita yun, parang yun na rin ako. Alam mo yun? But really, if you can give a half a point to
Okay,
Petrus,
Campo.
bigay nyo na because
Well played
that
shot
made
by Rico.
that nice play of Labrador
Napatalon si
possible.
Arbasto dun eh. Tumalon si Arbasto dun.
Sumabay siya. And Petrus, we respect him for that because talaga naman he's a threat because he's a left-handed setter and he does that all the time, yung pumalog ng second ball.
Second ball, oo.
For UST.
Great play from De Ocampo.
Oh! Labrador! If there was a slam dunk in volleyball, that would be it. Amazing.
Labrador is just making sure that UST does respect the best scorer of the team. Para sabi niya, ba't ang luwag naman ng block niyo sa akin? Why are you giving me this huge area to hit that ball too?
Di ba kayo tinitingin na stats? Free ball para sa FEU. They're up by 2. Beliran. Ukang will set it up. Depante flying in. Depante! Oh, off Labrador. Too fast, too quick even for one of the most skilled players in the game. Got it off sa shoulders na. Hindi na inabot, hindi na nakareact.
That's right.
Si
But
Labrador sa bilis.
yeah, Labrador was right there on the spot, no? Talagang he defended his area. He was at the right spot, but he didn't have his hands up. Eh, nung mataas yung bola, talagang sasalo yung balikat.
Oh, but Depante. If you're Coach Emil Lontok, crucial situation like this, as you look at Coach Lontok,
Yeah.
would you advise your player na simple muna natin yung service?
Of course. And the coach doesn't even have to tell the player that, no?
Oh, tingnan mo na lang yung score, eh.
Oh, so hey, you gotta focus, you gotta concentrate, make sure you get that serve in. That's the only thing you need to do. Then you've done your job.
Alfafara, that's a tip. That's an easy pickup para sa FEU. Avila flying in. Hit softened by the blockers. Ukang. Arbasto is blocked. It's going to be a free ball para sa FEU.
Now they have a chance. Petrus will hit it. He was looking at it already.
And that's what we were talking about. Petrus has that capability.
That's right. The USC players didn't read it, but he was already glancing because he planned to hit it already. Yan, kita mo, approach na siya agad. Nice play from Petrus.
23-20, FEU will listen to UST.
Okay, focus lang po, ha? Sa side out na, kailangan natin sa side out, ha? Advantage side out, ba't nagkaganon? Ba't naging gano'n atake natin? Ba't nawala? Ba't in-open mo lang? Ha? Focus lang tayo, oh. Dalawang mali dyan, nandiyan, may isang mali dyan. Okay. Pwede mo pagitan. Pagitan ng dalawang blanket doon. Pwede lang sa kanya dulo. Daktat, madana mo sa ibabaw. Tabi. At bali, tatlo yan, ha? Ciao.
All right, now you look back at that service error of Depante.
Depante,
How
no?
crucial that was. You know, they were just down by 1. Now, tatlo na, and if you need only 2 points to win this set, you don't want to be down 2 sets. I mean, you've done it before, but
Not in the finals.
Happy 28th birthday. Happy birthday.
And of course, the less risk you put yourself in, the better.
That's right.
Good reception from Doloiras. And that's the result. Arbasto with a huge scream of relief.
Finally, a clean hit from Arbasto. Ang ganda naman kasi yung reception eh. Yeah, that's the result of that good reception, a good play.
Binigay pa kay Gabriel, ano? Sa libero pa binigay ni Arbasto. Oh! Labrador flying in again from that very successful back row play by FEU, Doc.
This guy's confidence right now. He's just telling himself, none of you can stop me right now.
And sinugid na itong bola na tayo. Talagang, wow, on his way down actually when he hit the ball.
Yeah.
Set point for 2 sets to nothing
Ooh.
ang FEU.
Crucial. That's a crucial one.
Oh, right on the line.
For FEU.
What a statement by FEU to end set number 2. It's as if they're saying, you know, this may be our year. This is our year. After struggling behind
That's right.
behind UST under your shadow, they're flying out solid here in game number 1 of this best of 3. 2 sets to nothing, FEU over UST.